Hello future investors and welcome back to another weekly episode. Now in today's episode I wanted to give you a close-up, very close-up view of the Royal Mint's 5 g gold Britannia. Why do I want to give you a close-up view? Well, there's not many people here on YouTube that come up to the camera very close to give you a real in-depth look at that piece of gold. Okay, so let's look up close. So we've got the Royal Mint, the original maker. This is a new type of packaging they are producing. It says Britannia down the bottom in a lovely sort of turquoise blue. And you've got the United Kingdom flag down the bottom. If we come up nice and close to the camera, there you can see very close fine detail. You've got Britannia just there at the bottom of the shield. And it's got a mirrored finish. She's got a lovely sort of checkered armor on the front of her chest plate, which then goes down into a skirt. She has got a sort of Roman helmet on with the feather piece running across the top. Absolutely wonderful. And then she's got a spear, which you could call the trident. And then it's got the waves in the background. So if we flip it over to the back, you've got the weight at the top. That says 5 grams. You've got the alloy, which is 999.9 fine gold. And you've got signatures of the Deputy Master and Chief Executive, Annie Jessup from the Royal Mint. And the packaging here, you've got this lovely bespoke design on the back, which would make it harder to become a fraudulent copy because it's so detailed. And down the bottom here, you've got Celebrate, Collect, Invest, Secure, and Discover. Now, if we bring the piece nice and close so you can see that very well. Lovely, look at that. The Royal Mint. 5 gram. It's got its serial number at the bottom here, 507612. It's got waves. It's a mirrored finish at the bottom. And it's got waves at the back of the design, if you can see that. There you go. Just get it in the light. There we go. Lovely, look at that. And it's got the Royal Mint's crest at the top left of the bullion bar. Up here is extremely detailed. The packaging is ultra thin, as you can see, ultra thin, and it's very nice. I love this bar a lot. It is unfortunately not capital gains tax exempt, as it's a bar, and more recently so I've been purchasing more coins than bars because they are capital gains tax exempt. So I've moved away from bars at the moment ever so slightly. However, having said that, I absolutely love this piece. I hope this has given you a nice close-up view that you guys wanted to see. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you haven't, guys, go and check out my Instagram account and you can be introduced and take part into polls and content on what the next videos will be here on Future Investments on YouTube. And also have a look on our TikTok account for shorter breakdown videos so you can watch them as well. And also you will find content that you won't find here on YouTube. Thanks for watching as always, guys, and until next time, I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.